GM everyone, it's Evangelos here, or Crypto Meditator, and today we will see together the Bitcoin price, the Cardano price, and the Snek price. Honestly, it's really exciting watching Bitcoin touching $66,000, and I'd like us to see today the Bitcoin chart under the perspective of EMAs, Exponational Moving Averages. So without further ado, let's jump into the chart. Beautiful chart in the Bitcoin lately in many perspectives. It's a bit sideways sometimes, but it's forming a nice bull flag. Let me close some indicators here and let's look at it under the perspective that I want to see today, the EMAs. And why I want to see this EMA specifically. I have added to EMAs, this is the 200 indicator. On the daily and on the weekly, it's working really good to see on the macro perspective if you're in a bull run or not. Let's watch the daily really fast. Let's watch the daily, okay? Let's close this to have a bigger picture. So let's go back to COVID crash, okay? And previous tops and etc. What we see that as long as the market it is above this EMA 200 on the daily, it's bullish. It has a trend to go to the upside, right? So this was a COVID crash, and what we see in the COVID crash, we see that as long as this was above, the price was above the 200 daily, it was just continuing going up. So after the COVID crash, you see it went too far away from this line. When something goes so far away, most possible it will be attracted back to touch it again. And then it broke up, it flipped it at support. You can see it here. Breaks up, flips it as support, confirms it as support, multiple boring days here for like a month or so, again as support, and then it's just going up for 5 months or so. Probably if you were some years ago, you remember this bull run. Here we see this correction that might be pretty similar with this correction here, but let's stay to the EMAs for now. You see that as long as we were above this, the trend was only up. As we were extended too much and too far away, then we had to come back and retrace it. We went back, then flipped that support again, and then to the top. And then again, look how it confirms the bear market, right? It goes below, it retests it, goes below again, retests it, goes below, and this is like a confirmed bear market. It's going below. Somewhere here in the tweet, I was calling, and in a previous video, that it's a place to accumulate. It's not a place to sell right now. FTX news, bad news. Don't care about this stuff. Right? The news are there to shake you out. Just accumulate and stay there. We were below, we had to retest it. We broke out, we retested it, flipped that support 1, 2, 3 times, and then it continues going up. It made this first leg of the bull run, because for Bitcoin we are in a bull run. The altcoins are not following so much, but it did a nice 4.5x here. Watching this as a cup and handle and staying above the 200 EMA, for me personally, this makes me really bullish. We are above the 200 EMA, and we are in a cup and handle formation that stays great until now. Let's put some drawings. I'm gonna remove this cycle. So yeah, adding the drawings. This is the place I was telling you that I was calling it to accumulate and not sell. We see this cup. Right, we see this cup and we see this handle like forming really nice. One indicator I really like also is the CPR by KGS. Broadly, as long as we are above the purple lines here, these pivot lines, we feel bullish. If we have them as support, we feel bullish, and here are the green are our possible resistances, and pretty similar. The red are supports. You can see here that as long as we are above the purple, we go up. We consolidated here, but now we have a clear support. We turning this into a support. Probably we could see resistance at around previous all-time highs here, but combined with a cup and handle and getting out of this handle and out of this, let's say, descending channel, that's a bullish pattern. we're looking for higher. We're looking for higher, let's say somewhere around 125K. Could be the top there, could be. Could be higher, maybe a parabolic run, could be. Somewhere between April and June to 2025. That's my long term. Until then, I'm just holding. I'm just holding everything I have. That's my thesis. It's not financial advice. So that was for Bitcoin. What I wanted mostly to see, as we saw it already, was this 200 EMA. And we can see it on the 3 days time frame. It's also a bit stronger, let's say, as an indicator because it has more data inside. And you can see on the 3 days also how it acts, right? It is as long as it turns it at support, it goes up, 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 up. When it's extending too much, it wants to find it back and then again up. But then when it's below, we are clearly in a bear market. Now the good thing is that we are above it, and as long as we are above it, we really approach it here, but still above it, we are in a bullish trend. And under this perspective, let's go to Cardano. Cardano is one of my favorite holdings. Unfortunately, didn't perform as I was expecting it, to be honest. But yeah, because of the fundamentals and the robust network and how safe it is, I can really sleep easy in the night. And let's watch it under the perspective of EMA, right? Under the perspective of EMA, we are in the daily, and we can see exactly the same thing with Bitcoin. Similar thing, it is below, we are in a bear market. When this is flipped as support, flip as support, then we're bullish, we're going up. Extended too much far away, it's retracing, and then flip as support, up, up, up. So here it was around 2-3 cents on the COVID crash, and then above the 200 EMA, and you just go up. Here extend too much, $2.5, retraced, flipped it at support, and then went up again to $3.10, and then boom, 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 bear market, a really long bear market. We went out here, you can see it. We went out here and it was really bullish. I was so euphoric here. Honestly, I should have sold, but yeah, I was really convinced that now we go. But yeah, I didn't. Anyway, you see that we flipped it as support, and then let's fucking go. Just go. And here at top, a good retracement at 80 cents. Many people are pissed. They want to go out at $1 or where they bought. Actually, it's a really good sign to sell. Here, I also had it marked 2 times. I didn't sell. It was a head and shoulder also. But anyway, what we're looking now? We're looking at this formation here. Let's see the formation. It's like a descending channel, as we saw it also in the Bitcoin in the form of a handle, in the cup and handle. It's still struggling a little bit, but what we want to see this line, the 200 daily, to be flipped as support. Let's make a line here. I know there are plenty, but let's make some more. To flip a line as support and then start going up. Let's look at it again without the drawings. That's what we want to see. We want to see the green line flipped as support. And you see when we had it before and here, we were really, really bullish. Let's see it also on the 3 days time frame. Clearly here also the same thing. Flipped as support from 3 to 10 cents to $3, a nice 100x there. Bear market confirmed as resistance, go down. Flipped at support here and made two nice waves, but it didn't manage to flip it for a second time. So that's what we want to see again now. We want to see this line acting as support. So actually when we flip the 40 cents area as support, it should be a really nice buy. Let's say signal. I also buy here, but there you have it confirmed, maybe for a long play, a leverage long play. And once we're talking about Cardano, about ADA, we cannot go away without talking about Snek. Snek is my favorite meme coin, not a financial advice. It's the top meme coin on the Cardano. I'm bullish in memes. Everybody knows this in general when they know me. It had a really nice 8 to 10% today. So let's go into the chart and look this chart also on the same perspective under the EMAs and what we're forming. Okay, we have the joining now. So let's talk about this. First, what we see here, it is a falling wedge. Falling wedges are bullish. Falling wedges are bullish most of the time. You can Google it, find it yourself, why it's bullish or not. I'm just, long story short, telling you it's bullish. Okay, now we saw this pattern. Let's see it also under the EMA perspective, right? So we are on the 3-day. Let's put it on the daily because there's not enough data to give us the 3-day. But let's put it on the daily. Wow. And that's what we want to see, right? As I was telling you, do you remember that as long as we are above the green line, we are bullish? So that's what happened. In the December 2023, it started breaking up and boom, 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 it went up. I started buying actually somewhere here. I was really late on Snek. I started buying somewhere here on the breakout because I was speculating this cup and handle. It's not exactly cup and handle, but it has a nice cap formation here, and if that's what I was speculating. I was waiting for a handle here, so I started buying this, and that's what we see here. We see a meme coin, so we're going to see a lot of volatility, right? And because of this volatility, you see it going so much up from the EMAs and down again to test it. Good thing it's staying above, and then up again to test it. Double top. I was expecting to go higher here. I was holding, unfortunately it didn't sell, but yeah, double top here, and then again here. It's a really nice fake out again, and we are in this sideways, sideways consolidation. People want to see it listed on Binance. We don't get the listing. People are getting stressed, or yeah, they're bored of holding the bag and they start selling. What we want to see now, we want to see this flipped as support. And here we have a confluence. What means a confluence? When we have 2 or 3 things coming together. We have it going above the 200 EMA, and we want to see it as a confirmed support. And we have it at the same time going out of the falling wedge. I mean, this confluence, if it flips as support, it could be a really, really nice sign to go and test the all-time highs again. And if we go in a bull run that I'm expecting, who knows where this could lead. Not a financial advice, but this is one of my top choices. Actually, it's the 1/3 of my portfolio, almost a little bit less. And yeah, bullish on Snek, bullish on Bitcoin, bullish on Cardano. And yeah, let me know what else you'd like to see together with me in the next videos. And thank you very much for being in this video with me. Bye bye.